This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically the Asporto microwavable to-go containers with lids. We have the 3 sizes here in black, but they also come in white. And there's the small 24-ounce size all the way on the end that's 8 by 5 1/4 and 1 3/4 inch deep, right? The 28-ounce size, which is 8 3/4 by 6 and 1.5 inches deep, and the larger 38-ounce size, which is 8 3/4 by 6 by 2, meaning that you have great size options. And as you can see, they stack neatly, right? And they take up a very small space, right? A small profile, meaning that these are easy to keep on hand conveniently without taking up a lot of room. So if you're running a busy restaurant, a food truck, or doing catering, these are a great solution for to-go containers. They're a nice leak resistant, right? Because they have these nice square shapes, great plastic, right? Beautiful, nice, strong lids with a good fit, right? Meaning you have a nice, portable, mess-free solution for serving. Now, whether that's salads, pastas, side dishes, or mains, that's up to you. But these are made from a great BPA-free plastic, and they're also recyclable, which is always a plus.